When your Samsung air conditioner remote stops working, the first step is checking the batteries. Battery issues account for nearly half of all remote control problems. Check for battery corrosion, which appears as white or brown crusty deposits around the terminals. Corroded batteries can damage the remote's internal contacts and prevent proper operation. When replacing batteries, always use matching alkaline batteries of the same brand and type. Never mix old batteries with new ones, as this can cause uneven power distribution and reduce performance. If battery replacement doesn't solve the problem, test the infrared sensor. The IR LED should emit invisible light when you press buttons. You can see this light using your smartphone camera. Samsung remotes have an effective range of 6 to 8 meters. Make sure nothing is blocking the line of sight between the remote and the air conditioner's IR receiver. LED lighting can interfere with infrared signals because both operate on similar frequencies. If your remote works intermittently, try repositioning the air conditioner unit away from LED lights or use the remote from a different angle. When your Samsung air conditioner remote has display problems, the screen may appear dim or show incorrect temperature readings. Physical damage like cracks or water exposure can cause these issues. Start by inspecting your remote for physical damage. Look for cracks in the housing, water damage indicators, or any visible damage that might affect the internal components. For unresponsive buttons, cleaning with isopropyl alcohol can restore functionality. Use a cotton swab or soft cloth dampened with alcohol to clean around and under the buttons. If display issues persist, try a factory reset. Hold the temperature plus and fan buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds. This resolves 80% of display calibration problems. Samsung's SmartThings integration can create connectivity conflicts between your physical remote and smart controls. These conflicts affect many 2024 and 2025 models. The SmartThings app offers a reliable alternative. Check for app updates, ensure proper pairing, and verify your remote is connected. By 2025, 40% of users rely primarily on the app for control.